Standing proudly as the largest dredging boat, the Dredge King offers exceptional versatility for land clearing and various dredging tasks. 4 hydraulic rods bolstered its stability during operations, ensuring smooth performance in challenging conditions, designed explicitly for harvesting peanuts. This equipment allows for autonomous loading, thanks to the efficient utilization of paddles. Eliminating the need for an additional crane system streamlines the entire process, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Enter the Garford Electric, an advanced in-row weeder, utilizing state-of-the-art video analysis techniques to distinguish individual plants. This capability is crucial for mechanical weed removal, both between rows and, critically, within rows among plants. Designed for cultivating seedlings and crops with uniform plant and row spacing, this weeder excels in situations where the foliage of one plant is distinctly separated from the next, ensuring thorough and precise weed removal. Introducing the new Model 1820 from Ditch Witch, equipped with a robust 31 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine, capable of digging up to 1.2 meters deep and weighing around 1 ton. These features are essential for maximizing machine efficiency in laying pipes and cables, even in the most challenging job sites. With its powerful engine and impressive capabilities, the Model 1820 ensures reliable performance in demanding tasks. Operating with propane, butane, or natural gas expelled from nozzles under high pressure, this device's flame temperature is adjustable, ranging from 1100 to 1800 degrees Celsius. The open flame swiftly deals with weeds within seconds while ensuring the soil's temperature remains below 70 degrees Celsius at the treatment site. The Orbis is captivating with its distinctive and unparalleled design and remarkable technical capabilities that elevate machine efficiency. It ensures swift operational readiness with a compact transport width of only 3 meters and features like automatic transport protection and rapid setup. The time savings of up to 5 minutes per field with this machine allow for optimized utilization of working hours, enhancing productivity and performance on the farm. Introducing the Jaden Small Bale Collector, the perfect companion for your small bale balayer. This innovative collector stands out for efficiently gathering 10 or 15 bales straight from the baling chamber. Once collected, the collector forms a neat stack of bales before gently tipping them over and depositing them on the ground for easy pickup. This system embodies efficiency, quality, and simplicity in bale collection, providing farmers with a streamlined and effective solution. Kron has recently introduced the TS970, featuring an electrically adjustable working height and a rotary indicator. This machine's hydraulic flexible automatic control system ensures optimal road handling. With a working width of 9.7 meters, the TS970 offers high efficiency. This large rake stands out for its exceptional maneuverability and user-friendly operation, promising enhanced productivity and ease of use for farmers. In the kingdom of pest control, the Speed Sprayer Garden Sprayer shines as a self-contained tool, boasting the most spacious cab in its class. Its control panel is meticulously designed for simplicity, streamlining operations and ensuring that maintaining your garden becomes a straightforward task. With this sprayer, you can expect your garden to flourish, easily yielding bountiful harvests. For over 30 years, the fresh market's string beans, butter beans, beans and southern peas producers have relied on the OXO-Pixel Bob harvester for its efficiency and effectiveness. Renowned for its cutting-edge harvesting technology, this harvester enables growers to remain competitive in a market increasingly challenged by the scarcity of dependable manual laborers each year. The OXO-Pixel Bob harvester continues to be a trusted ally for farmers seeking efficient and reliable harvesting solutions. The Model 135 represents the pinnacle of the company's shovel machines, boasting a remarkable working depth capability of up to 135 centimeters. However, like all earth-moving machines, it can occasionally exceed this depth. The current model is a trailed version equipped with an oil cooler and air brakes. This top-tier machine is ideally suited for various agricultural projects, including garden creation, breaking up obstructive layers and mixing different soil layers, a process also known as shredding. Dresda has made waves by introducing its new heavy-duty bulldozer, specifically engineered for the rigorous demands of mining, coal development, and construction projects, leveraging advanced technologies and components. The TD25M series machines promise maximum performance. Available in standard XP and landfill variants, Dresda offers customization options to tailor the bulldozer to specific client needs, ensuring optimal efficiency and effectiveness on the job. Catering specifically to the requirements of olive growers and processors, the Oxbow 6420 olive harvester has proven its effectiveness in various field trials. Excelling in tasks such as harvesting, cleaning, and transporting olives under diverse conditions, this model is powered by a robust, low-mounted turbocharged John Deere engine boasting 173 horsepower. This ensures high performance and stability, making it a trusted choice for olive harvesting operations. Presenting the Air Model 900T rake, renowned for its exceptional productivity and efficiency, with a generous working width of 9 meters for central swathing and 7 meters for side swathing. This rake prevents ash contamination within the swath, ensuring the production of high-quality crops. Its precision and effectiveness make it a valuable asset for farmers seeking optimal results. Experience the efficiency of Multipack's latest D14 model, designed to streamline handling bales until they reach the end user. This model, capable of accommodating bales ranging from 75 to 120 centimeters without needing adjustments, significantly reduces time, cost, and manual labor. With a modest 80 horsepower tractor, the D14 operates effortlessly thanks to its independent hydraulic system, making it a practical solution for farmers seeking to enhance productivity and efficiency in their operations.